In today's video, I'm going to teach you fix Facebook Ads Manager errors number 1815010 and number 2446289. 5 minutes. These two errors usually pop up when there's a problem with your payment setup or when your ad can't be delivered. I'll walk you through the exact checks to get things running again quickly and confidently. First, open your browser and search for Facebook Ads Manager. From the official Facebook business page, click Go to Ads Manager. Sign into your account by entering your email and password, then select Login. If you're prompted with any security checks, just follow the on-screen instructions to continue. Once you're inside, head to the campaign's dashboard. Before anything else, let's address billing because payment issues are a common trigger for these errors. Open billing and payments, then go to payment settings. Here, carefully double check your card details. Make sure the card number, expiration date, and CVV are entered exactly as they appear on your card. Also confirm the billing address matches what your bank has on file, including formatting like apartment numbers and zip or postal codes. Even a small typo can cause a charge to fail and generate these errors. If everything looks correct but payments still fail, contact your bank. Ask if the card is blocking online or international transactions, whether there's a fraud hold, or if you've hit a spending limit. Confirm that your address and name on file match what you entered. Sometimes a quick verification with your bank is all it takes. If the current card continues to fail, try a different payment method. Add another card or a supported alternative, then save your changes in payment settings. After updating, make sure the new method is set as the active option. Next, return to the campaigns view and look at the delivery column. This column tells you the status of your campaigns, ad sets, and ads. If it shows pending, your ad is either still in draft, waiting for review, or scheduled to start later. If it shows off, it's been turned off manually, or it was paused by an automated rule. Understanding this status helps you confirm that once billing is resolved, your ads are actually eligible to run. Always check delivery status after fixing payment information. Once your payment method is valid and your items are eligible for delivery, errors number 1815010 and number 2446289 typically clear automatically. That's it. Follow these steps and you'll eliminate the errors and get your ads back on track. If this helped, keep these checks handy for next time.